In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly download Jira Software Server from Google. If you're ready, let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward guide, ensuring that you can download the software without any hiccups. First things first, fire up your favorite web browser, which is a staple for almost everything we do online. Once you're on your browser, you will want to head over to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing in google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Google is our go-to search engine for finding a plethora of information, tools, and software applications. Now that you're on Google, in that search bar, type in Download Jira Software Server. And remember, being accurate with your search terms helps to pull up the most relevant results more efficiently. As you type, Google's autocomplete feature may even offer suggestions, which can be quite handy. Once you've entered your search term, press the Enter key and wait for Google to work its magic. You'll be presented with a list of search results. What we're looking for is the link that says, Start your journey. Download Jira Server today. This is the official link provided by the Atlassian website, which will lead you directly to the download page for Jira Software Server. This step is vital, as downloading from the official source ensures that you receive the most authentic and secure version of the software. If you found that link in the results, go ahead and give it a click. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to the download page. Here you may be prompted with some additional options or settings. Don't worry if you see prompts or forms. These are simply standard procedures. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Typically, it's a straightforward process where you are guided through choosing the correct version suitable for your operating system. Once you've navigated through the prompts and details, you'll finally arrive at the point where you can click the download button. Pressing this will start the downloading process. Depending on your internet speed, downloading may take some time, but it's always crucial to ensure that you have a stable internet connection to prevent any interruptions. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully downloaded the Jira Software Server onto your computer. You are now all set to delve into the world of project management with Jira, a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your team's productivity and communication. Remember, this guide was designed to make downloading Jira as smooth as possible, and I hope it did just that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials just like this one.